students, welcome back to the channel. In the last class we discussed about the basics of trigonometry, what all trigonometry is, what are the different ratios. If you haven't watched, I will provide the link in the description. Just go and watch the video and then try to solve the question. In this video we will solve some of the questions which are asked in examination and how to approach this kind of question in exam. So let's start the video. Given that in the question, in triangle ACB, it is given that AB is 29 units, BC is 21 units, and angle ABC is theta degree. So determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. As we know what sin theta is, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and what cos theta is, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So for sin theta we don't have the value of perpendicular here. This is the perpendicular AB, this is the perpendicular AC, sorry, not AB. So in order to find this value of AC, what we will do, we will find this value by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Why Pythagoras theorem? Because as we know, the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we have the value of AB, we have the value of BC, we have to find the value of AC. So from this, what is AB? AB is 29 square is equal to BC is 21 square plus AC square. So it will give you AC square will be equal to 29 square minus 21 square. So what it implies? AC square. So as you have studied earlier, what A square minus B square, the identity gives you. A square minus B square, what this identity gives? It is A plus B into A minus B. So what is A here? 29 plus 21 is 50. What is A minus B will be? Will be 8. So what we get, AC square is equal to 15 into 8 is 400. So AC is equal to 20 units, right? So perpendicular will be 20. So what we get for the first part, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Let me change the color of the pen. What is cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. What is base? 21. What is hypotenuse? 29 whole square plus what is sin square theta? Perpendicular. What is perpendicular? 20 square plus divide by what is hypotenuse? It is 29 square, which is equal to what is will be the denominator? It is 29 square. And what will be the base? Base will be numerator, not base. 21 plus 20 is 41 square, right? This will be wrong. Why not 41 square? You can't directly add, so it is, never do this mistake of writing 20 square plus 21 square is equal to 41 square. This is completely wrong. Why wrong? Because what is 20 square? It is 400. What is 21 square? It is 441, which is equal to 841, which is not at all equal to 41 square, which is 1681. Remember this. So what we will get? We will get 441 plus 400, right? So it will be 841. What is the square of 29 square? 29 square is, you have to be very quick. If you remember the square, then the calculation will become very much easy. So 29 square is 841. What is the way to find the square? Suppose 29, and this we need to find the square. Write down the square of 9. What is 9 square? 81. What is 2 square? Write in 2 digits. It is 04. Now multiply this 2. Multiply 2 into 9, 18. 18 to the 36. With space of 1, write 36 over here. So what will this give? 1. 8 and 6, it's 14. Carry 1. 4, 3, 7 and 8, 4, 1. This way you can find the square of other number as well. 841 is the square of 29. So 841, it will give you 1. This will cancel off. So this is the answer for first part. And for second, it is given cos square theta minus sine square theta, which is what is cos square theta? We have already found 21 upon 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 whole square, which is equal to 441 minus 400 divided by 841, which is equal to 41 divided by 841. So this is the answer for the second part. Now moving on to another question. Given tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So for this, directly you make a triangle first, right? And name it as A, B and C. And let's make it theta over at angle C, at point C, right? Now as we know what tan theta is. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, right? So given here is 4 by 3. So it gives the value of perpendicular as 4 and base as 3. So what perpendicular here is? It is AB. It is 4. Base is BC. This is 3. Base is what? Base is nothing but where the theta angle is made with respect to 90 degree. If this theta would have here, then this would be AB would have acted as the base and BC would act as a perpendicular, and this would be as the hypotenuse. Sorry for that. This would be hypotenuse for always, right? So we don't have hypotenuse here, so we need to find that hypotenuse value by Pythagoras theorem. As we know, in the previous question we have discussed Pythagoras theorem. What it says? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, perpendicular square plus base square. What is AB square? 4 square. What is BC square? 3 square, which is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to AC square is equal to 25. It gives AC under root of 25. By under root we get two values, plus minus 5, but we take only the positive value because length cannot be negative, so 5 units, right? So in the first part we have to find, so we have all the values of hypotenuse, base and perpendicular, so that means hypotenuse is 5. First part, 2 cos theta plus sin theta what it is. What is cos theta? 2 into base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is 3. What is hypotenuse? It's 5 plus what is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 4 upon 5. So it is 6 by 5 plus 4 by 5. The LCM will be 5. And 6 plus 4 is 10, which is equal to 2 is the correct answer. For second part, what second part says? Cos theta plus sec theta. What cos theta and sec theta is? Cos theta we have already found, 3 by 5. What is sec theta? Sec theta is, remember the previous video, sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta. It's a reciprocal, so sec theta will be equal to 5 by 3, which is equal to 5 by 3. What will be the LCM of 3 and 5? It will be 15. It will be 9 plus 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 by 15 is the answer for the second part. For the third part, it is cot theta. Cot theta into cosec theta. And as we know, cot theta is nothing but 1 upon tan theta, and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. What is tan theta? We have already given in the question. It is what it was. It is 4 by 3. 4 by 3, that means cot theta will be equal to 3 by 4. 4 by 3, 1 upon 4 by 3 will go upstairs, up where 3 by 4 will be tan theta, cot theta, into sin theta. What we have found the sin theta? It's 4 upon 5. So 1 upon 4 upon 5, it is equal to 3 by 4 into 5 by 4, which is equal to 15 upon 16. It is the value of third part. Now let's move to the other question. Next question says, it is given 15 cot A is equal to 8, and you need to find sin A and sec A. So for the easiness, if you want to solve without any confusion and you want that your answer should be correct and you don't need to cross check, it's always preferable that you make a triangle first and name it as ABC, which is right angled at B, and makes C point as theta degree. And what is given? It is cot A. So if it is given A, so instead of C, name it as A. It is A, it is B and C. So from this we can write it as cot A is equal to 8 by 15. And what is cot? Cot is 1 upon tan A, which is equal to 8 by 15. So tan A will be 15 upon 8. From this we will get, so what is tan? Tan A will be perpendicular 15, 8. Turns permanently black, remember? Perpendicular base. So we don't have AC because we need to find sin A. For that and sec A also we need hypotenuse. So AC square will be equal to BC square plus AB square. It implies AC square is equal to BC square. What is BC square? 15 square plus AB square is 8 square, which is equal to 225 plus 64, which is equal to 9, and 289. AC square is equal to 289. AC will be equal to 17 units. We will take the positive value as the length cannot be negative. So what sin theta will be? Sin A will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is sin A. What is sec A? Sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. What is cos? 1 upon base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to hypotenuse upon base, which is equal to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 17. What is base? 8. So this is the answer for sec A. So this much for this video. Hope you like the content. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for today. See you in the next one.